March 10th, 2014. Here we are, 2 days from bone marrow transplant. Tomorrow, we'll get the total body irradiation on March 11th. March 12th, early in the morning, Scott will have the bone marrow harvested. And then March 12th in the evening, I will get the transplant. And then it's a waiting game to see if the transplant takes. It's a process that's called engraftment, which will take about 2 to 3 weeks to happen. They will start a medication on the 17th, I believe. It's called tacrolimus. It's a medication to minimize rejection of the bone marrow. And then at some point, they're going to start a medication called Neupogen. And the Neupogen is a medication to try to stimulate the bone marrow to create the cells that I need: white cells, red cells, platelets, and get on the road towards the discharge. This is a point that we've been waiting for quite some time, been anxious about. I've had some disappointments because it's not coming faster than we'd like, and but here it is. It's exciting and scary at the same time. Exciting because it's here. Scary because I'm going into an unknown territory, and the question remains, well, what if it doesn't work? Then what? So that's where we are at this point. As far as today has been concerned, it's been a good day. I've had periods where I'm not feeling that great, maybe some nausea, and meal is not, I'm not accepting the meal the way I'd like to. I have to force it down, but then another meal, everything goes down very good. That's just the name of the game, and that's all there is to it. I'm on a medication called Zofran to try to minimize the nausea, and the question I ask myself, what would I be like if it wasn't for the Zofran? I get the Zofran 2 to 3 times a day, so thank God for Zofran. As far as the transplant is concerned, once I do get the transplant on the 17th, they'll start a medication called tacrolimus, and it's a medication that they use to help minimize the possibility of rejection. So anyway, this is where we are now, and we'll see what happens. More tomorrow.